Join me as I challenge myself to write and publish an ebook on Kindle in just 1 week and aim to make $5,000 a month from it. Writing an ebook can be an incredibly lucrative way to earn passive income, and with the rise of online publishing, it's never been easier to get your work out there. One of the most popular platforms for self-publishing is Kindle Direct Publishing, which is why we're going to focus on how to write and publish an ebook on Kindle. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools. You'll need a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to write your ebook, a Kindle Direct Publishing account to publish it, and some basic knowledge of marketing strategies to get it in front of readers. The first step in writing your ebook is to brainstorm ideas. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable about, and what kind of topics are currently trending. Once you have a few ideas, narrow it down to the one that excites you the most and start outlining your content. Break down your outline into chapters and sections and start writing. Make sure to keep your writing concise, clear, and engaging, and don't worry too much about grammar or spelling at this stage. Just focus on getting your ideas down on paper. As you're writing, keep in mind that you want your ebook to be easy to read and understand, so use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make it flow smoothly. Once you finish writing, take some time to edit and proofread your work. This is an important step as it will help you catch any mistakes and make sure your ebook is polished and professional. Finally, it's time to format your ebook for Kindle. This is a crucial step as it will ensure that your ebook looks great on all devices. You can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing Guide to help you with this process. Once you've formatted your ebook, you're ready to publish it on the platform. Here's a quick screen recording of what the writing and publishing process looks like, so you can see exactly how to navigate the Kindle Direct Publishing interface. As you can see, it's really not that complicated, and with a little practice, you'll be publishing your own ebooks in no time. Now, let's talk about some effective writing techniques that will help your ebook stand out. One of the most important things is to make sure your writing is engaging and conversational. You want your readers to feel like they're having a conversation with you, not like they're reading a textbook. Making sure your ebook has a professional-looking cover is also crucial. You can use a design tool like Canva or hire a professional designer to create a cover that grabs attention. And finally, you'll need to have a solid marketing strategy in place to get your ebook in front of readers. Of course, there are some common issues that you may encounter when writing and publishing an ebook. One of the most common is formatting errors, which can be frustrating and time-consuming to fix. Another is marketing challenges, which can be tough to overcome, especially if you're new to self-publishing. And finally, there's the risk of negative reviews, which can be discouraging. But don't worry, I've got you covered. For formatting errors, make sure you follow Amazon's guidelines carefully and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. For marketing challenges, focus on building an audience and engaging with your readers. And don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. And for negative reviews, remember that they're a normal part of the self-publishing process, and don't let them discourage you. To recap, we've covered the key steps to writing and publishing an ebook on Kindle, from brainstorming ideas to formatting and publishing. It's not a complicated process, and with a little practice, you can be earning passive income from your own ebooks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited to get started on your own ebook journey. Don't be afraid to try out these steps and see what works for you, and be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about self-publishing, be sure to check out my next video for more tips and tricks.